Welcome to MaseroGarage. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how we replace the hatchback struts on our 1977 Chevy Nova.
Yes, the struts hadn't worked since we purchased the vehicle, and we figured it was time to let go of the vice clamps that were holding up the hatchback. And we got these for really cheap, 16 bucks off of Walmart.com, and it took us less than 10 minutes to do. So if you want to see how we did it, make sure to stick around. Before we began working on our struts, we made sure that our hatch was securely supported. We're using a pair of vice grips and a piece of wood.
Here you can see the metal ring that we have to remove. I'm gonna be using a flathead screwdriver to pry it out. Now one side of the strut can be popped out. You could also remove both clips first and then take the whole strut out. It really doesn't matter.
Here you can see the BOXI brand struts that we got off Walmart.com. It's always a good idea to check to make sure the old part and the new part are the same size before installing.
And all that's left to do is to snap them into place.
And now all we have to do is repeat it on the other side. The ball joints on the other side seem to have plenty of grease left over from the old struts, but on this side they were completely dry, so we're using some brake grease that we had laying around. And the last step in this process is just to make sure that everything functions properly. And it looks like it does.
Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and simple video.
Yes, and if you like the video down below, leave us your comments, but most importantly, subscribe because we're going to be uploading so many things soon. We are working on the carpet, the door panels, headliner, dash pad, instrument cluster, so many things. And I know you guys won't want to miss a thing. So make sure to subscribe and we'll see you soon.
Bye.